So now let's see how we can work around with the print module inside of Lightroom Classic. So to do that, first of all, over here on the top, you can see that print is an option. You simply need to go ahead and click on it to access the print module right here. So once you do that, you can see all of the settings right here, but I'm going to go ahead and right click and choose solo mode right here so that I can focus just on the layout style. So let me just go ahead and select single image or contact sheet. And then if I were to select this, you can see that I have this particular image right here. As you click, you see the preview of how it would be printed right here, just like this. If I were to go ahead right here, select two images, then it'll still simply show the first image. But if I were to go around onto, let's say, for example, picture package right here. So now I can go ahead and bring in, let's say, for example, these images right here, and I can print out the same, let's say, for example, image right here in different sizes right here, just like this. Let me just go ahead and bring this in as well right here. So now if I were to select any image, you can see that it is resized into different sizes. If I were to go around onto a custom package right here, then I can go ahead and, let's say, for example, just go around and bring in multiple pictures as I need right here, just like this. And that is what you have. So in the single sheet right here, you can see simply see a single image right here, just like this. And in picture package, you see that there are multiple pictures, and custom package is about keeping different pictures as needed, just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and then utilize the layout style as necessary inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.